Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about the Cartier PANTHÈRE watch. I want to give you my honest opinion about it after a year of use, and I hope you'll enjoy watching. If you do, please put your thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to film more videos in the future, and without further ado, let's get started. So guys, here is the watch in question. As you can see, mine is in a small size in a combination of yellow, gold and stainless steel. And the reason why I decided to go for this particular watch is because obviously I believe that it's a classic timeless piece, but also I wanted my watch to serve me as a bracelet as well. So I wanted something very dainty and delicate, and Cartier is known for the quality of its jewelry pieces, for its watches, so that was the reason behind why I decided to go for a Cartier watch and not the other brands. I'm very happy with my choice. Within the past year, I've been using it a lot, obviously given the pandemic, not every day, but when I was out and about, I would wear my watch. And that's not just because of this watch. I'm a watch person, and ever since I was back in school, I would have a watch on my wrist. And I genuinely believe that this watch is one of those pieces which you could pass on to your daughter in the future or granddaughter. I don't have anything bad to say about this watch. I genuinely believe that it's a great investment piece, a very dainty looking, beautiful watch. One thing I think I should mention, it started to leave dark marks around my wrist after a 6 months period or so after buying this watch. And the reason behind it, I think, is because I wanted this watch to be a little tighter on my wrist, and maybe that's why. And also I've heard the version that stainless steel gets oxidated and you need to get the watch cleaned regularly to remove that oxidated layer. I don't know if it's whether or not true or not. I need to get my wrist cleaned and get back to you, but I don't think that it's a problem of this particular watch. It's a common problem for stainless steel watches. Now I want to mention the case. It came in very briefly. So apart from it's obviously a brand bag and a box, it came in this beautiful Cartier watch box. This is how it opens. And the reason why I love this case is because I think it's very functional. So it does not only hold your watch for storage, but also this upper thing is removable, and inside you have extra space to store other jewelry pieces. Currently I have these extra links that I got removed from my watch, some papers, a warranty card by Cartier, and also I think that it looks great as an interior piece on my vanity table. So to sum it up, I think that it's a lovely watch, a great investment piece, classic, timeless for many years to come. It is casual enough if you wish to wear it every day, but it is also dressy, so works great as a bracelet with evening wear. So that's it guys. I hope this video was somehow useful, and if it was, please don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.